Today we are going to talk about the differences between direct object and indirect object. Now let's look at the following example. Jack bought a car. Jack is the subject, bought is the verb, and what did Jack buy? He bought a car. Car is the object of the verb. There are two kinds of objects, direct objects and indirect objects. A direct object answers the question what or whom. For example, Irene has a cat. Irene is the subject, has is the verb, so we can ask the question what does Irene have? She has a cat, so cat is the direct object of the verb has. Let's take a look at another example. Mary invited Jane to her wedding. Mary is the subject, invited is the verb. Whom did Mary invite to her wedding? She invited Jane, so Jane is the direct object of the verb. The second type is indirect object. An indirect object answers the question to whom, for what. Emily handed the teacher the homework. Emily is the subject, handed is the verb. So we can ask the question, what did Emily hand? The answer is homework, so homework is the direct object. But if we ask to whom did she hand the homework, the answer is to the teacher, so teacher is the indirect object. Here is another example. Mary made her son a birthday cake. Mary is the subject, made is the verb. Now we can ask the question, what did Mary make? The answer is a cake, so cake is the direct object. But when we ask for whom was the cake made, the answer is for her son. So son is the indirect object. One last thing, an indirect object cannot exist in a sentence that doesn't have a direct object. I hope you found this helpful. See you next time.